how to fix processing failed on Samsung account. In this video I show you how to fix processing failed Samsung account problem. For solving this problem, go to settings, scroll down, then go to apps. Now tap on three dot. Now tap on show system apps. Now tap on OK. Now search for Samsung account. Tap on Samsung account. Tap on storage. Tap on clear cache. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now go to settings. Now tap on Samsung account. Now log in your Samsung account. Now enter your password. Now tap on sign in. Agree. Now I hope that this method fix processing failed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Namaskar.